If you are planning to buy a new phone, hold on, because Vivo just launched something that could completely change your decision. Hello, I am Ankur Mishra, and wait, don't scroll for the next few moments, because what Vivo announced few days back is big. And when I say big, I mean a flagship powerful enough to shake the entire premium smartphone market in India. Yes, the Vivo X300 and the X300 Pro are finally here, and they are going on sale starting December 10th. So if you are thinking of buying a new phone, you might want to hear this before making any decision. Let's start with what makes this launch exciting. Both smartphones run on the brand new Origin OS 6 based on Android 16, and Vivo is promising 5 years of OS updates and 7 years of security patches. In simple words, this phone is not just for today, it's built for the next several years. That alone is a huge hook for long-term users. Now let's jump to the beast, the Vivo X300 Pro. This smartphone comes with a gorgeous 6.78-inch OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and improved outdoor visibility. Inside, the smartphone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset. And here's where things get crazy, the camera system. You are getting a 50 megapixel main camera and 50 megapixel ultra wide and a massive 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with OIS, supported by Vivo's V3 Plus and VS1 imaging chips. This setup is built for people who want DSLR-like shots from their smartphone. And to keep everything running all day, the smartphone packs a huge 6510 mAh battery with 90-watt wired and 40-watt wireless charging. But that's not all. The standard Vivo X300 also brings strong flagship features. It uses the same Dimensity 9500 chip and offers a handy 6.31-inch OLED display. The smartphone comes with a 6040 mAh battery and the same 90-watt wired plus 40-watt wireless charging combo. And the cameras: a powerful 200-megapixel primary sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide and 50-megapixel periscope telephoto and 50-megapixel selfie camera. JAIS calibration and even support the JAIS teleconverter accessory. This means the better zoom, sharper detail and more pro-level shots. Now let's talk pricing. The Vivo X300 starts at Rs 75,999 and goes up to Rs 85,999 depending upon RAM and storage variant. Meanwhile, the Vivo X300 Pro comes at Rs 1,09,999 for its 16GB plus 512GB variant. And for early buyers, Vivo is offering 10% cash back on SBI, IDFC and Axis Bank cards plus free Vivo TWS 3E earbuds and 18 months of Google AI Pro subscription. The telephoto extender kit will be sold separately for Rs 18,999. So here's a real question. Should you consider the X300 series? If you love camera power, long-term software support, great performance and premium design, then yes, this might be the flagship to watch. And remember the most important part. The sale starts on December 10th. Set your reminder. Vivo just entered the game and they didn't come to play.